Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come this site dell.com. After that click on support, then click on driver and download, then enter the model number, Alienware 14. After that click on search, then scroll down, wait few seconds to then select the driver, then click on the category. After that you can see the driver, all audio, chipset, mouse, keypad, network, storage. So all driver you can see. So first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11. So Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver. So first you can see audio driver. So click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box, and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So it is downloaded, then just single click to open. Then click yes for require the administrator installations. Then install directly. After that click next. Now this is installing. So it is installed, and no, and finish, and then close it.